Hello everyone, greetings from Croma Campus. Today you will be learning about blockchain.
Hi everyone, myself Tanush Sharma and I am a visiting faculty at Croma Campus, Noida. I am responsible for the courses of blockchain technology. If you heard about crypto and NFTs, those are the product of blockchain technology. So that is not the limited thing we have, that is only the 0.01% of what we can do in the blockchain domain. Actually, in December 2021, Indian government also launched a Niti Aayog paper where they gave us a framework about the 5 years where they want to see and how they can utilize the blockchain technology into their domains. So I am over here to teach you about how the blockchain stuff will work, how you can make your products over the blockchain network, and how can you get benefited from this particular specific technology. And you can also earn more than the basic salary of other people. Like whatever the average salary is, the blockchain developer in India or all around the world is getting 30% more than that. So for an example, if Alex is earning 30 lakhs as a full stack developer, according to blockchain council survey, you will definitely going to get 30% more than the salary which Alex get. So this is all about what we can do. Now a little bit technical, or from the point of academics, what we can touch. I will teach you the basics, understanding and the technical part of blockchain from the emergence of it and how we are utilizing it nowadays. So for the broader prospect, I will definitely going to touch 3 blockchain networks, specifically Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and then Hyperledger Fabric. So we will see how you can write Solidity code, okay, on the Ethereum network, how you can deploy your private network, how you can work with the dApps, how the architecture of the application will work. Then we will see how you can create a consortium network using Hyperledger Fabric. So from beginning to the end, we will definitely going to see everything with practice. So my way of teaching is little bit different. I will not give you assignment and all. I will definitely going to emphasize on the working environment effect. So I will divide you all into groups, and then you have to work together to build a particular product, okay, while you are learning things. If you want to know about me, you can search Tanush Sharma or Blocktical on the internet. You will going to get my profile in front of you. So you can see what my professional background is. In the spare time, I used to create videos towards the blockchain domain, okay, where I will explain layman people how the blockchain works. I will interact with different people. I will interact with different communities and try to understand how the businesses around the blockchain is going to work. And I put all those videos for free on the YouTube. You can search Blocktical on YouTube and find my YouTube channel over there with the same name, Blocktical. Without wasting any time, let me define what blockchain is and what I understand about it. It is nothing but a internet of transaction where we can store data of transactions, okay. So you can consider it as a database, but in a decentralized and distributed format, which is more secure because you cannot able to change it. So if you heard about what database is, it is a storage unit where you can store your data. Now on that data you can create several operations like CRUD, where CRUD stands for create, read, update and delete. Now in this blockchain environment, when we talk about blockchain stuff, I told you it is kind of a database, but here we have only 2 authorizations, that we can create the transactions and we can read the transactions. We cannot delete the transactions, and there is no authority to update it also. Now this will make the environment, the framework, okay, immutable. So if you do one transaction today, it will be available for lifetime. The chances of getting it changed is very slightly if we get any algorithm to do so, because there is no algorithm in the cryptographic world. That's why I am saying that it is highly immutable, but a slight percentage is not in the confidence, because there are chances that people can develop some cryptographic algorithm so that they can backtrack the process by which we are making this particular thing immutable. This is for the technical people. Let's take an example and try to understand how the blockchain process will work. In the ordinary system, if one of your friend is in America and he want to send you some money, he definitely need to go to a bank and ask that bank to send that amount to you, okay, by some Indian banks. So how that bank will work? So they will collaborate with the Indian bank and they will transact that money to you on a specific charges. So that commission definitely go raise, and the time duration for this process will also going to increase. Now when we put blockchain into the picture, then anywhere in the world the peer of that particular blockchain network can exist if they have the access to the internet. Now the friend who is in America will create a peer and connect with this particular blockchain network and going to send the particular specific amount to your particular address. By the blockchain network transaction and the consensus mechanism which is working in the background, the process will accept that particular transaction and you will get the specific amount which your friend sent in your public account. You will withdraw that account by any other means. This is how the entire process will work. So it will be fast and very easy to do the transaction overseas. So this is just an example. Now think about different example where you need security, you need transparency, and you don't want to go through any mediators. So you don't want any kind of brokers between you. The brokers may be any normal broker or general broker or even banks. So you don't want that. So these kind of stuff are possible only because of the blockchain technology. And these all things you can also contribute to the ecosystem which Web3 is building or the blockchain is building. Now we are here to provide you all the specific knowledge which you need to start your career in this particular specific domain, which is blockchain. So I recommend you all to join Croma Campus and enroll to the blockchain technology course. Now I ask you to join Croma Campus because Croma Campus provide different benefits to you also. One of the benefit is that you are going to build projects according to the real world scenarios where we will give you some challenges and you have to develop that particular product or project in team or in the singularity. Second thing is every time, every week or every day we will give you some kind of assignment to check how much you get to know about that specific technology. And if we feel that okay, you need some more time into that particular topic, we will provide you more time, and in the last we will help you in getting a new opportunity in the blockchain domain. So this is all about what we will bring to your table. Now it's your time to enroll first, enroll fast, and enroll to the Croma Campus.